By the end, you'll have Claude querying your database in plain English. Imagine transforming complex database queries into simple English questions. Today, we'll connect Claude, an AI assistant, with your database using MCP, letting you forget about SQL syntax. First, why does this matter? Simplifying database queries saves time and resources while reducing human error. Ultimately, it democratizes data access within your team. To get started, ensure your environment is ready. Install MCP by downloading it from the official MCP site and setting it up with pip install MCP tool. With MCP installed, you'll need to connect your database. Open MCP and use the command connect your database URL to link it. Make sure you have your database credentials handy. Now, integrate Claude with MCP. In MCP, use integrate Claude command to pair with Claude's API. This establishes a communication channel between Claude and your database. Set up permissions carefully. Ensure Claude has read access to required tables. Use command grant select on your table to Claude user in your database terminal. Here's the fun part. Asking questions. With everything connected, type your query in plain English into the MCP interface. For example, get last month's sales data. When you enter your question, MCP translates it into SQL and sends it to your database via Claude. This process is almost instantaneous and very user-friendly. Watch your query result come to life. Results are presented clearly within MCP. You can refine or repeat questions as needed to drill down into your data. A common pitfall is incorrect permission setup. Double-check that Claude has access to all necessary tables to avoid errors. Another tip, use natural language for queries. Keep your questions concise and to the point for better accuracy. Recap. Install MCP, connect your database, integrate Claude, set permissions, and start querying in plain English. You've just automated your data analysis workflow. Subscribe for more tutorials to unlock the potential of AI in your projects.